If you're looking for a gift idea for a Harry Potter fan or someone who's really into puzzles, then this Harry Potter themed 875 piece 3-dimensional puzzle from Rebit is a great idea. So let's take a look inside of this one. As you can see, there's 875 pieces, which makes this thing very detailed. It's going to take a long time to put together. But what I like about these is you don't need to get everything together to still have fun with it. When you're done, you do have it together, as you can see, it's a 3-dimensional puzzle, so it's a lot like having something like a scale model kit. But these are all a puzzle that's on foam, so it's soft, it's lightweight, but it's also dimensional, and it's strong enough to hold itself up, so it's not fragile. Well, it's not super fragile. It's not like building a deck of cards or a house of cards or anything. So as you can see, it's amazing. Lots of detail to it. You get the detailed instructions here. Anybody that likes Lego, anybody that likes Harry Potter, anybody that likes puzzles will really enjoy this set. 875 pieces. This will be a lot of fun for a little while. And once it's complete, it's fun to play with. Hope this helps.